All right. So congratulations for completing the following study week. So we're good to go to move further. Yeah. Uh, so we're about to start the next week. So previously, you already started uh, implementation of the core.js task. I hope everything regarding how to perform this task and how to submit it is clear. If no, we'll discuss it later. Along with starting the following assignment, the browser API test should be passed via the Eros app. Let's switch back to our current week. So you are to continue core.js task. So just a kindly reminder that this is like the last week for this task. Along with that, you have two modules to study. Uh, by the way, just for your information, with two modules are supposed to have its own test. So for the software design principle, the test is already added to the Eros app. However, as for the software design patterns, we experience some issues with adding this test to the Eros app right now. So this test will be added later on. Additionally, the deadline for the software design patterns will be prolonged as it will be added later. So for now, the only one test is available for completion. So this one will be added later. Uh, okay, so let's jump back to your question. Seems like we discussed everything that's going on in the course. So do you want us to answer some of your questions? Okay, let's go ahead.
Hello. Uh, Before the second interview, we shall switch mentors, right? We shall change mentors.
Uh,
Should we do something about it, or it would be an automatical process?
the process will be automatical, and the mentor will not be switched. The interview will be conducted by another mentor. So don't worry, everything will be done automatically.
Oh, another question about the
Yeah.
previous task, English for Kids. Is there any
Okay.
deadline for mentor to check this task, or as soon as they can, it's okay to receive the uh, grade later?
Uh, so usually mentor, like we discussed it previously, mentors are given 2 weeks. But we intend that they need to check it as soon as they can. So in case if your task haven't checked yet, so don't worry, please. Let's wait 1 week more. Then if not, then like we'll ask to check it as soon as possible. But that's okay if the task isn't checked already. So let's give an extra week for finalizing the verification. Because the code review process is quite complicated, even though like you're having the English for Kids task, which is quite complicated from the code implementation perspective, and to give detailed code review, it requires much time. So yeah, let's have an extra week to wait for the results.
Yes,
Okay,
I
so
agree. Thank you so much for your answers.
okay, you're welcome. So anything else to discuss? 1, 2, 3. Nothing. Seems like everything is clear. Okay, so just to remind how to submit the core.js task. So uh, in case if you don't know it already, so there is the auto test task which appears here. whenever you're ready, if you want to test your repository against unit tests and give the verification results, you're going to auto test section, choosing the core.js task, which will point to the repository on your own account. Upon clicking submit button, the verification will occur. I guess it's clear. Okay, so go on.
Exactly the same program, the course, front-end development course starts in September.
Okay. Yeah.
Is it possible for us, for current users, current students to also join this course?
If you think you need it, yes, you can join, but you will not be joined automatically. You need to register. Yeah, that's the common practice for someone who didn't manage to complete the current course yet to try themselves at another run. So why not?
Thank you again.
Okay. Guys, if there is nothing else to discuss, I propose to close today's call. In case if something is still unclear, so please address the questions in Discord chat, and don't forget to tag anyone so that we'll see your questions. Yeah, like we know that's lots of the messages we need to handle, so please tag us in case if you need something to be answered. All right, so if there is nothing else, thank you everyone, and good luck.
Thank you. Bye.
Have a great day.
Thank you. Bye.